Have you heard of MacBook hard drive cable wear issue? Yep, it's been around. They all do that. All the A1270. Here's the thing: A1286, A1297 will never happen. A1278 happens all the time. A1278 2012 model. Oh, forget about it. It's really weird because in the early days, like the 2009, 10, and 11 models would always break. So we thought the 2012 model, like this has a buff cable. This cable looks strong. So that's definitely not going to be the one that breaks. And then that cable broke more than every other cable combined. Apple, the only laptop manufacturer to fuck up his SATA cable. How? Yes, I heard of it. I've replaced a few hundred of them. People go, Lewis, why is it $125 for a cable? That's insane. This cable's $10. Because I'm going to replace it 6 times through your warranty period because they all suck. Even the ones with the original fucking adhesive. They're all shit. Oh, man. I would always replace them. Even if you came back 2 or 3 years later with a broken cable. You paid me for that shit, I will replace it every single time. But I'm charging enough that I can at least break even on the deal by your 9th warranty replacement. One of the things that sucks the most about dealing with certain Apple products is knowing that I'm giving a shit service because I'm putting an Apple part in your computer. It's one of these crazy interesting things because like so many people will say, are you putting an Apple part? And I'll go, well, no, the original part is made by AU Optronics or LG. I'm putting a B116XW05V.0 in your computer, same as what came in your A1370 MacBook Air from the factory. That's not an Apple part. Well, no, Apple doesn't make the screen. This other company does. But people would be so paranoid to be like, I want an Apple part in my computer. Are you using parts that are not Apple? Do you know when I feel the most fucking shame? I feel the most shame in the world when the part that I'm installing in your computer has an Apple fucking logo on it. That's when I feel the most shame. Like this piece of shit right here has caused more people grief and heart attacks over the idea that their data is going to be lost than anything else in the world. This little piece of shit over here that every other fucking company, Acer, Toshiba, Dell, HP, the company that can't get a fucking printer right 25 years in, managed to figure out how to do this shit, and Apple can. This little piece of shit, the 821 1480 cable right here, this little shit right here. Do you know when I feel the worst? I feel the worst when I am putting an Apple product into your computer. Something with an Apple logo on it. Anything that has an Apple logo on it. Because that means that I'm giving you a shit part. When I got this shit new, perfectly new, original adhesive, clearly from the manufacturer, like I would give like 3 or 4 or 5 of these things in a year, and they would all die. Because it's an Apple part. You know when I feel the most guilty? When you have a butterfly keyboard and you ask me to replace it. Because not because it just died for no reason, because you spilled water on it. I will replace your butterfly keyboard with an OEM Apple part, which is how I know it's going to die in a year and not work. When you take a look at this, Apple had a class action lawsuit against them for the butterfly keyboard for a long period of time. And the result of this was replacing it over and over and over again. Of course, after doing the typical Apple thing of saying, oh, it's a small number of people. Oh, you must have done something. Oh, I'm sorry. Your keyboard stopped working 1 month outside of warranty? I guess you have to get a new one. And we don't screw the keyboard into the case with 3 screws like other manufacturers. We rivet it with 200 or 100 little fucking rivets. So we have to replace the entire top case, which includes the battery and everything else. So you got to pay over $300 fucking dollars for it. Do you know when I feel the worst? When I'm putting an OEM Apple part into a customer computer. When I take an OEM keyboard and I install it in a customer's computer, I know that within a few months, maybe a year, they're going to call me back and say, what the fuck is this shit? When I type the V key, it types 2 times. When I install Interstill chips into a customer's computer, it's going to be fine for the next 10 years. I install a Texas Instruments CD3215 chip into your A1707, that's going to work for the next 10 years. When I install a B116XW05V0, an LP133WP1TJA, an LP133WX1TLA1, a B154PW04V0, 4 or 6, not to be confused with V3, which is a different model altogether that only fits Sony or Compaq, I know that that's going to work because those parts are not made by Apple. Do you know which parts I install into your computer which are not going to last longer than a year? When I install an Apple OEM. Oh, that's a rant. I don't do customer service anymore for my business. I used to do a lot of it. Even back after hiring somebody, I used to do a lot of the customer service for my business. And I used to have to answer that question all the fucking time. And the best way that I came up with the best way to answer that question, are you using Apple parts in my computer? If I wasn't, I would tell them the benefit. And if I was, I would look them in the eye and say, unfortunately, I am. I'm sorry. I wish there was an alternative. For this particular thing, if I could buy a third-party keyboard, if I could buy an off-brand keyboard, I would. If I could buy a hard drive cable that was built by anybody other than Apple, built by the people that bought Neve in the 80s and turned the Neve 8088, a classic console, into the piece of shit VRP that you could fry an egg on because that with fucking bus switches that you would have to put toothpicks in to get them to work again, that no tech could get to work in less than an hour, with sound that sounds almost as bad as an SSL J9000. I would have them make the hard drive cable. But unfortunately, nobody does. So I will be putting an Apple part into your computer, which is why you should be happy that I offer a year warranty and have a reputation for helping people even 6 months outside the warranty being over. Because I'm putting an Apple part into your computer, you can bet your ass that you're going to be back here in 3 to 6 months. Yes, I know about the hard drive cable issue on the A1278 from 2009, 10, 11, and after they beefed up the cable and made it really strong, 2012. Because if you take a look, you'll notice that this hard drive cable over here that fails the most of every single one of those hard drive cables is the thickest one. When you look at the old one, let me just bring up the page for that over here. That's, okay, admittedly, I'm usually very good at memorizing all these insane model numbers. I think that one is 0814-A-B-C, okay, -A. Yeah, it's -A. It auto-completed for me. Excuse me, I'm going to forget the numbers sometime. You look at this. This is the wimpy old cable. This is before it started going to the gym to get buff because it met a cute girl that I had a crush on. This is the original hard drive cable, back when it was skinny. They actually managed to go to the gym. Apple is the only company that makes a part that goes to the gym, gets buff, and fails more. Yeah, I remember. Man, it's really funny because I feel like everybody's saying like, man, you're so much happier in these videos now. You seem so much more cheery and happy and excited. I don't think it's because I moved from New York to Texas. I think it's because I don't fix Apple products anymore. I think it's because my employees do. I think that, honestly, when I think about my mood and I think about like my mental health and everything else that's doing well, what if it had nothing to do with where I lived or what if it had to do with the fact that I worked on Apple products for a living, for Apple customers, and I had to deal with these delusions that when you got an Apple part put in your computer, that was a good thing. Oh, man, I've lost my mind. Maybe, who am I kidding? To say that I lost my mind, I have to say that I ever had it.